Let's get our board inflated. To inflate your board, you want to grab your pump and pump hose and come on over to the valve on your board. It can be either on the front or the back. Let's get our pump installed here. So the hose, one end will connect to your pump. Just want to screw that on. And the other end will connect to your board. Your valve has a little valve cap. Just want to twist that off. And inside there's a valve stem. There's two settings. It's either up or it's down. You want to make sure that valve stem is up before you attach your pump. Otherwise, once it's done, all the air is going to come out when you detach your pump later. So the other end of the pump, you're just going to attach this, screw it on, simple little twist, and then your pump may have a high pressure setting and a high volume setting. You want to start out on the high volume. Let's get starting pumping. You'll want to pump your inflatable paddleboard to 12 psi. Your pump will have a gauge and it'll show you the correct psi. Alright, so we're done pumping our board. You'll want to go ahead and twist this off, reattach your valve cap. Let's go ahead and twist that on. We'll put our pump away. If your board happens to have a pressure release valve, don't touch it, don't need to do anything with that. And now we're going to install our fins. To attach your fin, you want to locate the metal bar on your fin and slide that in the center of your fin box. There's a channel, just slide it in the channel, and if you have the spring system, you're going to push that in, give it a little twist, and now your fin's connected. To take it off, reverse the process. If you happen to have a different fin system, there's also pressure fin systems. The way you'll attach this, same thing with the metal bar, slide that in the middle. Once you get it positioned where you want it, go ahead and push it down and it stays in with pressure. Reverse that process to get it out. A standard fin system, you'll have a screw and screw plate. You want to go ahead and take your screw plate, drop that in the center of your fin box, slide it forward, drop your fin in, match up your fin with the plate, and then attach your screw and screw it in. Then your fin's connected. If you happen to have a different fin box, there is a slide-in fin system that'll simply slide in from the front of the fin box in, and your little clip will just clip in to secure it in the fin box. Let's get our paddle set up. To assemble your paddle, you just want to attach the two pieces with a little clip. Once you have that, you're going to push the lever out up top, lift this handle out to about the bottom of your wrist, which is also 9 inches above your head. Once you're there, go ahead and lock it in, and that'll be proper height for you. A couple things to remember while you're out. Always get on your board knee height in the water for getting on and off. That way you don't break the fin. Also, always wear your life jacket. And if you're not using your board, store it in shade. To deflate your board, you want to come over to your valve, take off your valve cap, and push your valve stem in with one finger, push it down and twist, and it'll stay down. The air will start coming out of your board. You just want to go to the opposite end and start folding it up from there. You can always use body weight to push the air out. And you'll just want to fold your board around your fin boxes. Fold it all the way up to the valve. When deflating your board, try to do this on something soft, sand, grass, park bench, and that way you don't damage the board.